Hey, so this is probably gonna be my only video with audio, and I'm doing a scratch tutorial about platformers today, just like a change because I usually do gaming, but today I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Okay, let's create a new project. Okay, we have a Scratch Cat here. Let's actually change his costume to be a box. Yeah, so let's keep it red like this. See in the stage. And we want it to be in the middle there. Always change this like that. There. So in this, and then we can also make a ground sprite for him to rock on the platforms and stuff. We'll make that black for now. Yes. Do that, and then we can make some stuff to make sure that it can go through slopes like this. Yeah, all of it. And we can make this like that. So let's make it 0, 0, and can change this to however you like it, but did it like this, and 0, 0, 1. We can make it maybe to 100, not 10, 100, like that, so it could be falling. So in the player sprite, let's make some variables. So for that, you can make one called x velocity for the speed, so we can have friction, and y velocity, gravity. X velocity, y velocity. Okay, good. So let's make a custom block for this. Let's make it like game. So it can be like the script to play the game actually. Without screen refresh, so it can go fast. Let me, yes, like that. So to start the game, one green flag. We can set both our variables to 0, and we also have to make sure the player goes to that, 0 goes to that, and to set our station styles to left, right. And let's go forever. We'll go our play game so that the scripting works. Yeah, so now for gravitational force, we can go change y-val by -1. And the movement, and you can change this to arrow keys or WASD, but I'm just going to do both for people who use them. Like this, right, or key D is clicked, pressed. And then we can duplicate that, so we don't need to put the scripts again, like that, for left arrow, right, and A and D. So we can get our xval variable and actually make this 2, yes, -2, going the other way, like that, and to amplify friction for the game so he can slow down eventually. Xval times 0.7, that's our friction. Then, so he actually moves, we can change x by xval. So let's see this. He's going smooth. That's good. Yeah, yes. And so that script appears to be working. So let's do some slope detection. And then we made this ground sprite, so if touching the ground, we can change our y position by 1. And then we can duplicate that a few times for how many pixels. I'm gonna do 8. Might adjust that because people usually do 8. Nice number. 8. see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. And then we can go if we're touching the ground, we can to reverse it, we can change y by -8 how many times we want up, and we can do repeat until we are not touching the ground. Not touching ground. We can change our x instead of just a normal x. X times -1, going in the opposite direction. Then we can set our x to 0. Like that. So once we did this script, we can actually start our change y by y val. See, like that. And now we can do if, and if we are touching the ground, let's just duplicate this, then put this back. And we can do change y instead. No, change y by y val. Delete this, take that out. And we're setting y val to 0. So now for our jumping scripts, we can, so it actually jumps without making this character go here, then jump up again while he's in the air, which is not realistic. I can only make him jump when he's touching the ground, which is way more realistic, and we all do that. So we can change y by, to fix that, we can change y by -1, like that. Then we can if or and that we can do all our keys that we want. I'm gonna just do key space W and also up arrow for every alternative way. So we can do this, and also if we're touching the ground, we have to do that change y, and we have to do change y by 1 to make, because actually when we're doing these scripts, we're not touching the ground, we're going up a little bit. So we have to do these to make it so if we are touching ground, actually works. Change y val by 14, which is actually going to be how high we jump. So let's see, working really good, really good. And then you can do this. You can do that. And this is appearing to work a little bit good. So I think I found out a glitch that's happening. Not sure you can see. Oh, actually it's fine. Yeah, I'll just okay, it's fine. So yes, we have a nice platforming script in there. Everything's working fine. Glides here, glides up there. Then he can also ride up slow. Then he can stay on the ground. Turns out to be working just fine. I hope you liked that tutorial and you could understand it to make your own platformers in Scratch. So, bye.